We'll guide you through how to use Stripe Financial to manage your business finances efficiently. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Stripe website and log in to your account. Once you're in, navigate to the dashboard, which is your main control center. Here, you'll see an overview of your financial activity, including payments, balances, and more. To dive deeper, click on the Financials tab on the left-hand side of the screen. This will take you to a section where you can manage your financial reports and analytics. You'll see a breakdown of your income, expenses, and net profit over selected periods. You can customize these reports by adjusting the date range and applying filters to focus on specific data. If you need to download or share these reports, click the Download button on the top right corner of the page. This allows you to export your financial data in various formats, like CSV or PDF. Additionally, you can set up automated email reports by going to the Settings section. Look for Email Reports and choose the frequency and type of reports you want to receive. This feature is great for keeping track of your financial health without logging in daily. If you need to reconcile your transactions, click on the Transactions tab. This section lets you review and match payments with your bank statements, making sure everything aligns perfectly. Remember, Stripe Financial offers integration with accounting software like QuickBooks and Xero, so if you're using those, consider linking them for seamless data synchronization. This setup can significantly reduce manual entry and errors. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.